Hey, what's up there, guys? Welcome back to the videos. And today we're gonna unbox. Well, it's not a box, but we're gonna unwrap this. I bought what do you call it? A shift extender. Okay. Oh, there's another one. And another one. Oh, they're pretty nice. They package their products, their merchandise really good. It's not bad, right? Yeah, they're a good seller. There you go. There it is, guys. 1320 performance shift extender. Alright, that's pretty cool. It's Dragon Ball Z. Right. I got the 4 Dragon Ball. And it's up, and I can add some more. And maybe type the bottom part. There you go. Shift extender, Dragon Ball. Unboxing, unwrapping, whatever you call it. And I like it, man. It's pretty nice. 4 Dragon Balls. 4-star Dragon Ball. And it's pretty heavy. Cool. Hope you guys liked the video. Peace.